Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Christopher speaking. We will be taking off in 5 minutes. The passengers are still boarding. I hope you will enjoy this flight on a Boeing 747-400 on X-Plane 10. And this will be a very comfortable flight. And I hope everyone will enjoy. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to I can't get out of my head. Welcome to Master Gamer 24 Gaming. Today we're gonna be flying this beautiful Boeing 747. Okay, let's take up with the procedure. Flight set 5, no steps. And now let's full throttle it. They're spinning. The engines are spinning. Oh shoot. They just hit me twice. Oh, look at the rear landing gear. Look at the middle landing gear. Take off our brakes. This plane keeps veering left. Stop veering left, you Boeing 747. I don't know our speed. I don't know what this takeoff speed for this Boeing 747. We're on the grass. The nose is slightly lifting. Oh, taking off. Oh shoot, what happened? We're back on the ground. Take off, take off, take off. We're gonna hit the building. We're gonna hit the building. Let's hurry up. I don't know what to do now. We just took off with the Boeing 747. Oh shoot. I don't know what to do. We're not climbing. We're not climbing. I need to make sure we don't stall. Set our autopilot. Let's do this first. Altitude. Level out. Still climbing. No. Back 747. This is nice to fly in a Boeing 747. I need to make this more sensitive. Let's level out and put on our autopilot. Don't climb 747. Alright, all we can do is turn, so let's put this on. What's ending? What's the descending? I don't know. So let's speak to our passengers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, Christopher speaking. We're currently climbing. We're climbing. We're climbing at this good climbing altitude. Our speed is slowly decreasing, and we're gonna fix that. And as your captain, I'm gonna fix that while we're climbing. So I'm gonna turn off, get this off the pitch, and level out to 747. And I hope you will enjoy this marvelous flight on Virgin Atlantic Airlines. Virgin I can't speak this. So I hope you guys I hope everyone will enjoy this flight. Yes. So like alright guys, I have spoken to the passengers. As you can see, I have level out to 747. Look how big that tail section is. Jesus. Can we still control our rudder? Oh, yes, we can. We can control our rudder. Oh, turning back on course. Dynamite. Okay, let me check if I'm descending. Looks like it. Let me check. You need to check to make sure I'm not descending. Looks like I stopped. But my speed is now increasing. My engines are at full throttle. So let's have a cup of coffee. Or coffee. That's some good coffee. I'm sorry guys. That's not right. Let's get on the outside view of the 747. Yeah, thank you idiots. I'm looking from the passenger for you guys that's watching this video. I'm talking to the air traffic control. It's kind of a place to land. It's a nice flight. Oh yeah, and comment down below what plane should I fly next. What plane should I fly next? Comment down below is the question. What should I fly next? This is massive. This thing is massive. Kind of looks like we're starting to pitch upward. We are pitching upward, guys. And guys, we're pitching up. Uh-oh, this is bad. Turn off that. Shoot. I need to level off to 747. There we are. We're now leveling. Let's check this time again. Alright. Oh shoot, now I know. Oh shoot. Come on, descend. Descend. Level out. Dude, this is like the hardest thing ever. I'm pitching up again. Why am I pitching up? Oh shoot. No. Sorry guys. What's this one? Oh. Okay, let's find an airport to land at. So that's us. Let's land here. Yeah, I don't know. Oh shoot. No. I don't know what's going on, guys. Help me. That's better. I'm pitching up still. No. Bad airplane. Bad sim. I'm stalling. What's going on? Am I stalling? Holy shoot! Look at us! We're performing a loop-de-loop. But I don't not to perform a loop-de-loop. How do I pitch downward? Mommy! Help me! This should help. What altitude are we at? I don't know. But we are pitching upwards still. I need to figure out a way to save my passengers. You guys are the passengers. Oh shoot. I'm stalling. We are stalling. I believe. Come on, pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Come on, pull up, you big crap. Come on, pull up. Pull up, you big crap. Come on, pull up, you big crap. Come on, pull up, you big crap. Am I pitching up again? Shoot! We're pitching up again. Descend. Descend. Help me. Why is this plane listening to me? Wait, can I sidestep? I can try. But I don't know where we are. We are upside down. We are upside down. This is dangerous. This is the most dangerous day the 747 could pull off. Hey guys. No. Come on. Come on, autopilot. Work. No. I'm pitching upward. Turn off the autopilot. I don't want to die in this 747. I did enough test flights to know how to fly the 747. And yes, I didn't know it's a test flight before I started recording the video. And there. We're now airborne. We are now airborne. Oops. I'm saying we are airborne even though we are descending. Let me look. No, we're at a beautiful 14,000. Still increasing, I believe. This is a nice cockpit. Can I mess with these? Looks like again. Oh, first of all, let's look for a place to land. The thing's still at full throttle. I'm trying to look for a place to land. We got it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna contact air traffic control. I'm gonna contact air traffic control. Air traffic control. This is Virgin, whatever. We're declaring an emergency. We are pitching upwards. My plane keeps pitching upwards. If you want to know, I think my plane's in a fugoid. My plane's starting to descend. My plane's in a fugoid, guys. My plane's in a fugoid. Oh, never mind, I got it. Never mind, it's leveled. Oh shoot. Descending? Descending, let me check. Looks like we're descending. Uh-oh. Get the thing. Stop. This plane is descending to go in a fugoid. Our speed is decreasing, but our altitude keeps increasing and then decreasing. See, it just stopped decreasing, and now it's increasing. So that proves that we're in a fugoid. We're climbing pretty steeply now. Let's see how steeply we're climbing. Guys, our plane's in a fugoid. So let's speak to the passengers right quick. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Captain Christmas video. I just want to let you know that we are not landing. Our plane is trapped in a fugoid. We're descending and increasing in altitude. So please fasten your seatbelts. We are gonna make a quick crash landing. Sorry if you're not looking at crash landing. Alright guys, now that the passengers are spoken to, we are gonna try to land. But we're not. So I'm just gonna end it here. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, but make sure you guys hit that like button. 10k likes on this video, and comment down below what plane I should fly next. See you guys next video.